Hi, I'm Angie, and today I'm going to share my Disney Fantasyland bracelet. This is the bracelet that restarted my interest in Pandora, and my husband gave it to me a couple birthdays ago, and it had a few charms, and I've been collecting ever since, and now it's full and gorgeous. So I'm going to open it up and show you each charm a little more closely. So my husband originally chose the Disney Mickey bracelet. Then I added the Mickey safety chain, and it has a Minnie on one side and a Mickey on the other with CZs in the middle. And the first charm I wanted to add was Winnie the Pooh, and this is the Honey Pot Pooh, and it's the most sweet little Winnie the Pooh bear sitting in a pot of sticky honey. As you can see, it says honey on it. It's really cute. And my husband added the Mickey silhouette charm, which is a dangle. Next I have the Mickey all-around spacer, which is obviously a row of Mickey heads. One charm I really wanted was Cinderella's dream, and it says, "A dream is a wish that your heart makes." And it has these beautiful blue crystals in there. So pretty. I picked up this next charm, which is a Disney Parks exclusive on our last trip to Disney. We are huge Disney fans, so I was super excited to be able to combine Pandora and Disney World at the same time. And this is Mickey's sorcerer hat, and it's so stunning with that glittery blue, midnight blue background enamel. Two-sided, very sweet. Next I have Mrs. Potts and Chip, which is a very elaborate charm for the price. You get a nice meaty Mrs. Potts with the little addition of Chip on the edge there and different colored enamel spots. It's very cute. This next charm is my newest addition, and it's Tinkerbell's dress. And I couldn't resist this one. It says Tinkerbell on the top, and it's just so gorgeous. The color is beautiful, and her wings are so sweet on the back. I wanted some clips for this bracelet, and I got the Mickey pave clip for this side, which is a nice round ball clip with Mickey silhouette in CZs. For my Muranos, I wanted the traditional Cinderella's signature color, and these are really cool because they glow in the dark. The next charm is one that my husband picked out originally, and this is Cinderella's pumpkin coach, and definitely the most elaborate charm I have. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's hearts on the bottom, CZs all around, and a little bit of gold on the top for the crown. It's really stunning. The centerpiece of this bracelet is Cinderella's castle, which I just picked up. This is another park exclusive. It says Walt Disney World on the bottom. The next charm is another park exclusive, and it's the carousel. And it has a horse on either side and little cutouts of Mickey heads and a gold Mickey on top. I really wanted this charm because I missed out on the two-tone carousel that was part of the regular collection that is now retired. The other Murano I have on this bracelet is Aurora's signature color, and if you don't know, Aurora is Sleeping Beauty. So I have Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty. And the castle charm from Disneyland in California is Sleeping Beauty's castle, so I would like to add that at some point and have a matching set. Then I have the Minnie pave clip, which is just like the Mickey one, except there's the addition of the colorful red bow on the top of Minnie. This charm is probably my favorite and another park exclusive, and it's Flying Dumbo, and he's absolutely adorable with his blue blanket and hat and his little pink ears. And it says Dumbo on the top. And I've said in some of my other videos that my mother loved elephants, so this was a nice one to add to make me think of her. And of course it's such a sweet movie with Dumbo and his mother, so this one means a lot and it's absolutely adorable. The next charm is Alice in her teacup, and this is another park exclusive. And the reason I love this one is because it's always fun to ride the teacups, and I drink a lot of tea, and once again I missed out on the prior old teacup. I've since got the new version of the enchanted teacup, but I thought this one was really cute and perfect for this bracelet. The next charm is Thumper, and he is also adorable. That's a running theme with all these Disney charms. And I love bunnies and rabbits, and he's just really cute. Those big giant feet. And I have one more all-around spacer. And the next charm was given to me by my son. It's Eeyore, and he is just scrumptious. He is so cute and so detailed. He's got his mane in the back. He's just so sad looking, big floppy ears, and he's holding his little pink ribboned tail. So cute. So that is my Disney Fantasyland bracelet. I did change it from just a Disney bracelet to a Fantasyland bracelet because I ended up having to start a new Disney bracelet, and all the charms on here represent rides that are in Fantasyland. I don't think it showed, but here is the second bracelet I started for Disney, and I'll show those charms in a separate video. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my Disney Fantasyland Pandora bracelet.